We are going to talk about the Healthspottr Impact Award. And thank you all for voting. This is actually quite special. She's going to give me a hook in 1 second. Just watch this. But this is very special, and it's very meaningful for me. When Carleen and I first started talking about Healthspottr, we talked about how important it was that this event was really about bringing people together who could make a difference and have impact. And I think the 3 people we identified are quite special in their contributions. And so this is very important for us and for Carleen and myself. But I think we know who the votes are in, Carleen. Do we know who they are? Are you going to give me a clue? Where's the envelope, please?
We don't have an envelope this year. Actually, I forgot to order.
There we go. I like this. And the winner is Margaret Laws. And so Vanna White here is going to present the award to our recipient.
Come on up.
And as we were doing the initial introductions, Margaret has had an enormous impact. I think California Healthcare Foundation, as many of you know, is invested in improving health for the underserved in California. Margaret has taken upon herself to lead an effort there to really think about how do you leverage innovation to really improve access, care, but also more importantly, do it in a way that's highly affordable. And she's been involved in a number of startups, and it's not hard to do this from a not-for-profit. And Margaret, I think, has really excelled at doing this, and she's a great friend and colleague. And thank you for what you do. We appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Dave. You've got to say something.
I will. Okay. I think Larry meant it's not easy to do it from a nonprofit,
yeah.
not hard to. Yeah. I want to thank you all, everyone. Just. Carleen said I have 3 words, so I'll take a little bit more liberty than that. But one of the most exciting things about this event for me has been the same thing that's exciting about the work that I do, which is really this cross-sector collaboration. And I appreciate Larry and Carleen and the whole community here really bringing together a diverse group of people. It's what we have to do to try to bring innovation into the safety net in healthcare, and it's an exciting thing for me to do. I'm thrilled to and just really honored to be here and be part of it and do the work that I do. So thank you, everyone, and thanks to Larry and Carleen.
So just a few other things we want to share before we get to tonight's entertainment, which is going to be wonderful. I want to thank Dave Gilmet and Joan Kennedy of Cigna for great support and partnership over the years, and they were our dinner sponsor tonight, so a huge shout out to Joan in particular, who's been one of our longest standing supporters. We're really honored to have Cigna's support. And again, Kaiser is one of our first and longest standing partners, and Murray Ross is here. I mentioned him last night, but I failed to mention that they were our dinner sponsor last night, and so I want to remedy that by just acknowledging your contributions to this entire community, not just Healthspottr, but everything that this community represents. So thank you for that again. And Kias for sponsoring our reception tonight. I don't know if any of you saw them, but we created these cute little napkins that said something really, we thought, clever that related back to the content tonight. But thank you, Josh, for your support and for being here with such strength with your team and for contributing to our community. We appreciate it. And just one... I think we're close to showtime, but for those of you who don't know, Tom and I are married, and we met through Healthspottr. I know, I'm trying not to. I'm really trying not to. So, Sorry. I just want everyone to know Tom is the person who says yes when everyone else says no, or maybe, or you shouldn't do that, or I don't, think about it again, take a little more time. He always says yes, and not just to me. And none of us would be here if he didn't do that for me and for Healthspottr. So I just want everyone to know that. Thank you. So now, to make you laugh, please welcome, he needs no introduction. He's come a really long way, however, to be with us, and it's a real privilege. Humorist, best-selling author, and all-around great guy, David Sedaris.